All right, I got a 2016 Ford E350 van. Has a 5.4 liter V8. I'm going to show you how to change the starter on this thing. Get this camera put on here. You can see what's going on. All right. So, I already used my 10mm and 13mm to take the two wires loose from the starter right here. And now I got this 13mm. You have to get just the right length of extensions for the top bolt. There's 3 bolts to hold it on. The top bolt is really difficult to get to. You just gotta have the right length of extensions. You always take the hard bolts out first. The top bolts, otherwise the starter's hanging on it, it's harder to get it out. All right, the next hardest one is gonna be this one right here where the ground wire hooks to. They love to break loose behind the nut. Oh, that one just came loose. A lot of times, what'll happen is instead of this nut popping loose, it will pop loose back here where the bolt is. And then if it does that, you gotta do this. You gotta have a really good needle nose pliers and just grab it as hard as you can like that and then break it loose. But this one really surprised me. It just came loose. I guess it's a new enough van. That loose. That ground wire off. Now we're gonna get this other bolt loose first. We'll do the bottom one last because the whole starter will start falling down. Anyway, not too hard to do other than that top bolt and then this ground wire bolt that likes to break loose behind the nut. So, not a hard job at all. Easy to do, just gotta have a couple different lengths extensions. Okay, anyway, that's all there is to that.